Welcome back to my channel, guys. This is video I made just because a lot of people lose their motivation in trading just because they have some really bad days. They compare themselves to anyone and they quit trading. They lose their motivation, guys. If you're really serious about trading, keep watching this video. I will guarantee after watching this video, you have completely different mindset. So let's jump to the topic, guys. Am I ask you why you lose your motivation, guys? Just because you have some losing days, you have some losing weeks, you have some losing months, and either you blow a lot of accounts or either maybe you lose someday and you watch some influencer make profit on that day and you lose motivation just because you don't know what they people do and what's wrong with yourself, guys. You are tired to asking this question, what I need to do change. Even I literally got a lot of comments, what strategy you use, give me an indicator. Like there is no loop, guys, there is no different strategy, you just need to master one. It's just you versus you. Don't compare yourself with a person, compare yourself with a person who already give the market 5 years, and then you ask yourself what's wrong with yourself. Don't compare yourself with another person. Everyone have different journey, different mindset, different the way he thinking, guys. Don't compare yourself. I'm not comparing myself with TJR. He have different mindset, he have different journey with me, I have different journey with me. We don't have same past, guys. Then why you compare yourself with them or any other influencer, guys? This is a main mistake even I do when I started trading. Just because if I lose the trade today and a lot of people win that trade and I ask myself what the fuck I did. I will never become good trader just because these guys do profit and I'm still unprofitable. I why how can I do loss today? This is not the question, guys. The question is, do you follow your rules? Do you follow your edge? If you follow your edge and if still stop loss was hunt, it's just another day in the office. It's investment in trading. Just because if you saying there is not a single trader in history who win every day. Even your favorite influencer don't win every day. They don't show their losing P&Ls. They're just showing you their profit just to sell their course. And you doubt on yourself, guys. Like, what the fuck I did? What's wrong with me? Why I'm unprofitable? Why I had this losing streak? This is another account I blew. And you question on yourself. And the most important thing I believe, guys, thoughts. What you are thinking, you will be. Just because your thoughts lead your behavior leads your lifestyle leads your destiny. So be aware, guys, what you're absorbing for the social media. If I'm constantly thinking I'm loser, I lose trade every day, I blow 10 accounts, it just constantly remind me I am a loser, and I'll never become happy. I never become think from as a profitable trader perspective. Just because if I'm come with a mindset of like I'm a loser, I already lose 10 accounts in a row, I had a bad losing streak, I will never focus on what actual market shows me. It's just a game of you versus you, guys. What do you think? What market shows you? Don't come with a mindset of making money. I will make if for suppose if you pass the account, you got the payout like $1,000. What you will do? You can't run your entire life on that $1,000. So why you crave for that $1,000 just for the instant gratification? You broke your rules. You just broke your rules just for instant gratification, just for the feeling of me to getting profitable, me to getting funded. Now, why you think in that way? Just think with a longevity mindset, guys. If you want to trade it, you want to trade the market entire life, market will open every day. Then why you just think every day like I want to win today, I want to win today? Will market not open tomorrow? Then why you chasing trades? Why you chasing trade? You had first loss in a day, you took another. You had second loss in a day, you again took another. You have four losses in a day, you're still taking the trade just because I want my P&L green. A lot of people quit trading, guys, just because they don't get that longevity mindset, they don't have that winning mindset. I am honestly telling you, if you are unprofitable, you always come with a market of like, I'm unprofitable trader, I already build lots of account. This is not the right way to come in the market. Always come with the mindset of you are already profitable. Trade with a version of who is profitable, not with the version of who's trying to be profitable. If you are trading with a version of who's trying to be profitable, you will always end it up doubting on yourself. And if you doubt on yourself, you will lead negative thoughts. If you lead negative thoughts, your behavior will negative, and that's affect your lifestyle, that's affect your destiny. You will never become the person you want to be. Don't be like dumbass, guys. I started trading in 2024 August, and today is 10th September 2025. I have experience of 1 year. From January, I started learning ICD concept, and now I am teaching you just because it's a hard work of 8 years. It hard work of 8 months. I also think in that way. I want to make money. I want to become profitable. I want to make my family happy because no one support me. Even my parents doubt on me. You are gambler. You do gambling. You will never become success in this way. You have to do job. You have to study. You have to go college. No one support you guys. It's just you and only you. Don't involve the second person in your life just to judge yourself, just to compare yourself in any other sort of perspective. Everyone have different mindset. Everyone come with a different destiny. If you want to become profitable, if you want to change your lifestyle, that's why you choose trading. Then why you self doubt on you? You do the work that 90% of people afraid to do, guys. You choose that path. Success never come easily. You have to pay for that. All that sleepless night, all that anxiety, all that stress, all that anxiousness, that self doubt, the thoughts of quieting the whatever business model you do. You have to pay the fee for the success, guys. And in this journey, a lot of people quit trading just because this is not for me, this is not real. People are literally fake. I never make profit from this and that. Just being completely honest with you guys. You don't need to change your strategy. You don't need to change in your model. You don't need to change your rules. You just need to change your psychology, the way you think. I am guarantee you. Ask yourself this question. Whenever you come to the market, do you come with a mindset of you are already profitable? I'm not telling you to manifest this, but it is what it is, guys. You came with a mindset of no, I'm unprofitable trader, I never win, I never pass the account. And why? This negative mindset lead negative action, lead negative PNL, and this is just the same cycle you will always stuck in. If you have a one bad day, it doesn't lead your lifestyle. It doesn't lead your life. It doesn't decide your future, guys. If you had one bad week, it doesn't lead your life. If you had one worst day, it doesn't lead your life. Even the week, even the month, you have to struggle for that success. You have to grind for months, years for that freedom of 50 and 60 years. Always proud on yourself. You choose the path that a lot of people are afraid to choose. You choose trading, the hardest business model in this earth. 99% people quit trading. 99% people are unsuccessful in trading just because they don't have the right mindset. I'm not telling this strategy is right, this strategy is wrong. Every strategy is right. Even the breakout trader also make profit in these industries. It's just the pullback to make a new higher high. New higher high in the life, guys. And if you're stuck in why this is bad day, this is a bad week, this is a bad month, it's bad month just because you it just because like a higher low to make a new higher high in your life. It's just simple as that. If you're working hard, then life will become higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. You will never become go straight. You have to face some higher lows. I'm so much confident on myself. I know my bias is right. Some days my entry was wrong, but I will re-enter in the trade. This confidence made me profitable. Just because I always think when I was unprofitable, I always think like, yeah, I'm profitable. I don't need to do anything. I don't need to change anything. Just because if people make, even my mentor make profits from this model, so I also can. I also can. And every day I come with, okay, yeah, this its price go higher, high, generate liquidity. Market open price should come came down to manipulate all that initial buyers to and then give displacement. I will target the session high lows and all that buy side liquidity generating this. It should happen. It should not. And I'll wait for that. Always be confident. Be confident what you are thinking. The most interesting thing, guys, yesterday price action, I blew four accounts. I actually blew 400 accounts I bought yesterday, and I want to clear them in one trade. And this is the right way to pass the prop account, but I was ended up losing four accounts. Does I harm myself? Does I self-doubt on myself? I know my edge. My edge was present in the market. I took the trade. If they ended up lost, that's loss. It's just another day in the office. Journal them, correct that mistake you did, and we'll come tomorrow with the same mindset, with the same winning mindset. Just because it's so simple, guys. If you're losing today, it doesn't mean you will losing forever. If you're winning today, it doesn't mean you win forever. Just maintain that discipline, maintain that self-confidence. And I am guarantee if you apply this thing in your lifestyle, like always come with a mind that winning mindset, that not to be the version who is trying to be profitable. Instead of this, the version who is already profitable, if you trade your that version, you will always and always become profitable. I will guarantee you within next couple of months you will become profitable. You get that self confident on yourself. Everyone lose, guys. Everyone lose. I'm telling you, if you are losing, just do some simple things. Just a genuine piece of advice, guys. Just change yourself, change, cut all that bad habits from your lifestyle. Just wipe out all that bad past memories from your head. Just bought a new fresh account, decrease your position sizing on that. Try to understand the markets, follow your rules, see your edge, take high probability setup, and either end of the day you lose or you win. Journal them. And meditation. Meditation 15 minutes. It will really help you. It will boost your confidence because 90% of time you if you even I'm also, guys, I when my model is present me, I was like so hesitant to take them just because yesterday I had a bad losses or I had a losing streak. Should I take it or not? Should I take it or not? Should I take it or not? And I ended up losing that just because I don't have the confidence to take that trade. The simplest thing, I decrease your position sizing and do this thing. If you don't have the confidence to take the trade, just decrease your position sizing for next couple of weeks. And one more tip, always try to trade with a version who is already profitable. Please, it will really make you such a big changes because trading is a game of psychology. I believe in that. Maybe some people say psychology don't have a lot of issues. People make this overrated, but I think psychology is the most important thing in the trading. Just because we all know technicals. We will enter after sell side being suit SMT that the low displacement backup, enter on that FVG or after that CSA target that buy side liquidity opposing liquidity. We all know that. The thing is, sometimes we don't have confidence, sometimes we don't have patience, sometimes we already lose, sometimes we already have two losses in the day, sometimes we just doubt on yourself. The only thing you should do is believe on yourself, believe on yourself, believe on yourself. You need success in trading, guys. Trading is the most payable skill. You decide how much money you want to make in trading, guys. There is no other business model. Trading is the only skill you need to learn. And I know you will. I know you will. You just need to do some changes, guys. If you do some changes in your life, it will definitely change your future. Because at the end of the day, your future depend on what the person you are today. Your future families depend on what the person you are today. Are you grinding at the nights? Are you working at the nights or either go to parties? Either hang out with friends or just making your dreams into reality, guys. Because after 5 years, if you're watching yourself, like if your tiny decision leads there's a big change in yourself, big change in your family, big change in the lifestyle you are living. Just you just need to change yourself. You just need to change your bad habits. You just need to stop self-doubting on yourself. You just need to just follow this rule. Just follow this. And yeah, it's just a raw video. I think I should need to make a video on this. So I just make this video. If you get something from this video, please like and share with the guy who actually need the motivation and just peace out, guys.